You picked a bad time to come home to Skyrim, kinsman. Captain, what should we do? He's not on the list.
Forget the list. He goes to the block.
By your orders, Captain. I'm sorry. At least you'll die here, in your homeland. Follow the captain, prisoner.
Well, that's just great.
Ulfric Stormcloak. Some here in Helgen call you a hero, but a hero doesn't use a power like the voice to murder his king and usurp his throne. You started this war, plunged Skyrim into chaos, and now the Empire is going to put you down and restore the peace.
What was that?
It's nothing. Carry on.
Yes, General Tullius. Give them their last rites.
As we commend your souls to Aetherius, blessings of the 8 divines upon
For the love of Talos, shut up and let's get this over with.
Learn. As you wish.
Come on! I haven't got all morning. My ancestors are smiling at me, Imperials.
What in oblivion is that?
Sentries, what do you see?
What the?
It's in the clouds!
Legends don't burn down villages.
We need to move, now! Up through the tower. Let's go!
Okay. Away.
We'll have to just need some...
Oh, got it. What now?
See the inn on the other side. Jump through the roof and keep going.
Yeah. Let's go.
Hammond, you need to get over him! Now! That boy, you're doing great. Toro! God! Everyone get back! Still alive, prisoner? Keep close to me if you want to stay that way.
Okay.
Gunnar, take care of the boy. I have to find General Tullius and join the defense.
Gods guide you, Hadvar.
Alright. Go.
Stay close to the wall!
Yes, sir. Come on. Damn it.
Quickly, follow me! It's you and me, prisoner. Stay close. Damn traitor! Out of my way!
We're escaping, Hadvar. You're not stopping us this time.
Fine. I hope that Brandy takes you all to Sovngarde.
Why would I follow the boss to set one to cut my hat off? Oh, no.
We'll meet again in Sovngarde, brother.
That's not cool, Laro. Damn.
Looks like we're the only ones who made it. That thing was a dragon, no doubt. Just like the children's stories and the legends. The harbingers of the end times.
That's not good.
We better get moving. Come here. Let me see if I can get those bindings
Oh,
off.
that would be nice.
Those vines aren't going to cut them. There you go. You May as well take Gunjar's gear. He won't be needing it anymore.
Sorry, man. I'm gonna need this.
Alright. Get that armor on, and give that axe a few swings. I'm going to see if I can find some way out of here. Ah, this one's locked. Let's see about that gate. Damn. No way to open this from our side.
Scrap. No.
Come on,
The Imperials!
soldier! Keep
Take
moving!
cover!
Get this gate open.
Die. Son of a bitch.
Maybe one of these appear. Let's have a key.
My sword, it swings a little fast. So, better.
Let's see.
Pair of light armor. Do I want heavy here? Great sword fighting.
Here.
Dagger fighting. Well, there's no great sword here, but yeah.
We are. Found the key. Let's see if it opens that door.
Let's go light armor.
That's it. Come on. Let's get out of here before the dragon brings the whole tower down on our heads.
Yeah, you might not want to stand still and talk then, but you might want to go, you know. Because otherwise the tower will fall on our heads, just like you said. That way.
Damn, dragon
You won't destroy them.
Stormcloaks! Filthy traitors!
There you go, you son of a dick. Okay. Are you helping? Ah, there we go. Thank you.
Storm. See if you can find any potions. We'll need them.
Oh, yeah. Good. These will be useful, I guess. We'll just take them with us.
Done? Let's get moving.
And that'll be all then. You're slow, dude.
Hear that? Come on.
Oh, let's see.
Do you?
There you go.
Was young. Ulfric with you?
No, I haven't seen him since the dragon showed
Just gonna load this place. You guys
Wait a
keep
sec.
going.
Looks like there's something in this.
Let's go with this shield over here.
Ah, it's locked. See if you can get it open with some pick.
There we go.
Might need that gold once we get out.
Smart spell tool.
Have anything useful and let's go.
Don't think I'm gonna be spellcaster or anything. Might want to learn that just in case. What's this? Book of the Dragon. Let's take this. Just because we can right now. So we need to read on our way. Alright. Do you want me to go? Okay, I'll go front then. You just stay back. I'll take care of everything. I think just that's how it works right now. Nice world. You suck. Oh, well, no, not really, but yeah, you know what I mean, right? Let's go. You're slow.
Orders are to wait until General Tullius arrives.
I'm not waiting to be killed by a dragon. We need to fall back.
Just give the general some time.
And Skyrim!
Use arrows and longbow. Equip this longbow. Ah, she has a bunch on her.
Let's go on ahead. See if the way is clear.
I'll keep watching these Ulfric comes through here. Palace guide the road.
Alright, let's go. Open the bridge with magic level.
Let's see where this goes.
Come on, right.
We're going back that way now.
Damn.
Better push on. The rest of them will have to find another way out.
Yeah, what you said. Let's go. Alright. I just want to explore these over here. Look. Cool. That's nice. Let's go.
That doesn't go anywhere.
Yeah.
Guess we better try this way.
No, just trying to kill. Oh, you son of a bitch, you got a real problem now. I'm gonna kill you. I'm not gonna kill you. Badass, go like that. There you go.
I hate those damn things. Too many eyes, you know?
Alright. Let's see. Over here.
Hold up! There's a bear just ahead. See her? Sneaking is overrated, eh?
Not anymore. No. You know, screw light armor. Maybe later. If you just hold on a second, I can equip my sword. I will need to get myself a great sword.
That looks like the way out. I knew we'd make it.
Me first. Hallelujah. We made it outside.
Wait!
Oh, damn.
There he goes. Looks like he's gone for good this time. No way to know if anyone else made it out alive. But this place is going to be swarming with Imperials soon enough. We better clear out of here. My sister, Gerda, runs the mill in Riverwood, just up the road. I'm sure she'd help you out. It's probably best if we split up. Good luck. I wouldn't have made it without your help today.
Okay. Never mind. We're gonna split up. Just gotta stick with you for now. As I can, you know.
You know, you should go to Windhelm and join the fight to free Skyrim. You You've seen the true face of the Empire here today.
Yeah,
If anyone will know what the coming of the dragon means, it's Ulfric. See that ruin up there? Bleak Falls Barrow. I never understood how my sister could stand living in the shadow of that place. I guess you get used to it.
Easy problem. It's pretty cool. You know, to me. I don't know how it looks to you, though. What's that? What's this? Explain.
These are the Guardian Stones. 3 of the 13 ancient standing stones that dot Skyrim's landscape.
3?
Go ahead. See for yourself.
Thief. H.
Warrior. Good. Those stars will guide you to honor and glory. Remember, this isn't Stormcloak territory. If we're ahead of the news from Helgen, we should be fine. As long as we don't do anything stupid.
Okay.
If we run into any Imperials, just let me do the talking, alright?
Yeah. Let the guy in the Stormcloak not be Imperial armor. Of course not. That's logical, I guess. I'm gonna split up now, and I am gonna check out this final. Oh, there's wolves. Got him in pieces. Not good. Let's get these. Bullet now. I will see you soon. Bye, sir. Thank you. I think it was easy. Find my own way in there. Not too hard. Yeah. Why you hungry?
Now ain't this
You are a bandit. Well, not anymore. Please don't die anymore. Called the ambush line. Let's see what we can find inside.
You worried someone will wander in here? The entrance isn't exactly hidden.
This again? I told you. Have someone standing guard out there. Don't forget the rock trap.
I don't. Dumbass.
So, stop your worrying and get some rest. Your shift is coming up and I don't want you dozing. Is someone there?
No, there's nobody.
Thought I
asshole.
heard something.
Picked a bad time to get lost.
Fuck. Oh, you son of a dick. Alright. To Riverwood. Where's that? Somewhere over there. Stuff to sell. I guess. We'll see when we arrive.
A dragon! I saw a dragon!
What? What is it now, Mother?
It was as big as the mountain and black as night. It flew right over the barrel.
Talos guide you. We better keep moving. I don't want to run into any Imperials. who know
New
what
to
happened.
Riverwood? Ralof? How do you know him? If you really are Ralof's friend, I'll be glad to help you. But you didn't answer my question. How do you know him?
Dragon attack.
A dragon? In Helgen? It can't be.
Oh, but it is.
Although, it would explain what I saw earlier. Flying down the valley from the south. I thought I must have just been seeing things. I don't know why, but I actually believe you. You've got the look of someone who's just seen a dragon. Things just go from bad to worse. First the war, now dragons. What's this world coming to? The Jarl needs to know if there's a dragon on the loose. Riverwood is defenseless. We need to get word to Jarl Balgruuf in Whiterun to send whatever troops he can. If you'll do that for me, I'll be in your debt.
Okay.
Gerda,
Oh, brother, Mara's mercy, you're safe. Your friend told me about Helgen.
Okay, I'm gonna go now.
What does it say?
Thank you for your help. So, or not.
Did I see you talking to Sven? Maybe not. Maybe... Never mind. But I would stay away from this guy.
King,
Hello.
whatever you need. Is looking to protect yourself or deal some damage.
Right. Let's see what you got. And more axe looks like some enchantment magical thing. Great sword, well, not really anything I like here. And what do you got in the armor department? Steel armor. That's real pricey, sir. I don't have that kind of money. No, I don't. I do not. Alright. Laskar. I'm Laskar, by the way. I just would like to tell you some stuff. No. I want to go great sword fighting. Great sword. I like right now, armor. Something I can afford, you know? Yes, like those boots. I'd like to buy those boots. Anything else I can afford? I don't think so. Oh. No. Okay. Well, thank you for your time, sir. Like boots, and
Until next time.
yeah, I will be going.
Papa isn't too friendly.
Sven drunk on the job again?
Here we go. Alright, that's gonna crack. Yes, arrows. Hold on a second. I still have some stuff to sell.
Raylo,
What are you doing?
Iron, looking to protect yourself or deal some damage.
I don't think you accept that.
Take a look.
No.
Good day.
But you know what I could do? Maybe I can improve like skillful.
My father is the blacksmith. I'm his assistant. I mean apprentice.
Let's do that.
Not too shabby. Apprentice work, but solid. Keep at it.
Someday, I'm going to forge my own sword.
It's awesome.
I could forge you a warhammer that would crush a giant's head like a walnut.
Alright. That's cool. I got
You
cool.
the sneaky type? Got some nice daggers around here somewhere.
No. Like great swords and stuff.
Says I'm not ready for weapons, so I make lots of horseshoes and hobnails.
Goodbye. Thank you for your time. Told I would like some roasted chicken. That's the time. I don't want to attack that. Alright. Let's go to White Road. Yes. Holy crap. That was that. Let's take a look. White Trap this way. Alright, let's move. I think that's oh, ow. Oh, you are in trouble. Nice try, little doggy. Not this time. What is it? Nuts.
citizen, I'm warning you. Your presence is interfering with Imperial business.
Soldier.
That's it.
Not my fault. Let's go. Best idea ever. Just ran away. Meadery, that's it. So, meadery. Holy crap. Let's go.
You look strong. Come
You
to
handle
our
yourself
Laskar
well.
and be a
You could make
companion.
for a decent shield, brother.
Thank you. But what is a shield walker?
An outsider, eh? Never heard of the Companions? An order of warriors. We are brothers and sisters in honor.
Okay.
And we show up to solve problems if the coin is good enough.
Okay.
Not for me to say. You'll have to talk to Codlac Whitemane up in your Laskar. The old man's got a good sense for people. He can look in your eyes and tell your worth.
Right.
If you go to him, good luck.
Thank you.
I'm here to help.
Do as soon as I have the time. Everyone's in the city now.
Blood on the wind today. Good hunt ahead.